Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well, guys, there are many IELTS candidates who appear in IELTS exam, and every week, whenever there is the IELTS exam, there are my candidates who prepare for their IELTS through my online classes, in-campus classes, or those who watch my videos, or those who get my study plans. They appear in IELTS exam and they get their desired band. So whenever some students they get the bench score, they share the result with me, then I analyze my evaluations. I check their bench score, then I see the bench score given by me, the bench score they obtained from Cambridge. How is that different, especially in writing and in speaking? Okay. Now, very recently, a student of mine, I've shared her videos on YouTube as well. Her speaking test I shared, okay? And in speaking, I gave her 7 band, right? And then she got 7.5 in actual exam in speaking. So the thumbnail of the video that was of 7 band, then I edited the thumbnail to 7.5 band, and I was so happy and she was very happy as well. The same student, she got 7 band in writing module as well. And you know what happens? This is the part of my coaching classes. Whenever I teach online or in campus, I give my students mock tests for writing. Okay, so she has written 4 mock tests, and these 4 mock tests cover every type of writing like opinion essay, problem solution essay, discussion essay, advantages, disadvantages essay. And as she was academic IELTS candidate, so there are reports as well. So what I have done, I've compiled all her writing tasks, and they are the specimen for 7 bench score. And I'm going to share that with you so you can see how to write for 7 band. A student who wrote in a certain style, she achieved 7 band in writing, which is really a very good bench score. Okay, so all you need to do, you need to go to the description of this video, and there you will find a link. Just open that link, it will take you to Google Drive, and there you can find this PDF and you can download all the writing. And you know, this student appeared in IELTS test just last week. You can just check the date of this video, and got 7 band in writing. So if you follow the pattern she has followed, although I gave her the pattern, I gave her the handouts and all that stuff, right? So if you follow the same pattern, if you write at the same level, you are bound to get 7 band. Okay, so at least now you know a student like got 7 band, and this is her writing, so you can easily check that and you can get your desired band as well. I'm really grateful to her that she's given me the writing tests and she's allowed me to share her writing with you. This is how you guys can practice. And what you need to do, you need to read the topic, you need to read the essay, you need to see how many paragraphs, number of sentences, okay, what is in each sentence, type of sentences, vocabulary and all that. And sometimes when you guys go through 8 band writing, 7 band writing, you say, it's pretty simple. It's very much to the point. Yes, absolutely. Your writing should be pretty simple. Your writing should be according to the topic, and then you get 7 band. And if you try to cheat the examiner by using flowery words, by using some sentences which do not belong to you, you've acquired them somewhere, you've memorized some sentences, and you think by cheating the examiner you can get higher band, not at all. So make sure the sentences that you make in IELTS writing, these sentences belong to you. These sentences should be created by you the way you create your other sentences, and then you can get your desired band. So very simple. Go down the description and you can get this handout and go through all these essays, writing tasks, and you'll be clear how to write for a bench score 7. All the best, guys. Thank you so very much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore. If you wish to join my online in-campus IELTS classes, we offer IELTS test booking service. We offer IELTS writing assessment. So if you want to get any of these services, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.